Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. The Tahoe was first to arrive with the Suburban coming in a couple of weeks, and it really is very, very different from the previous generation. How so? Well, the first and most obvious is a brand new key, very reminiscent of the C8 Corvette key. So it definitely shows that Chevrolet is going to be taking their keys into a new direction. Gone is that kind of square looking key, and it's a much more elegant design. Another big kind of feature that I really like is the quad exhaust. This one has the 5.3, a 6.2 liter is optional. See, this just came off the truck today, so I am as excited as you are viewing this video. Nice wall outlet. This is my first time kind of looking it over because we just started receiving ours yesterday, and now we have about 5 or 6 that are here that came in just today alone. That exhaust sounds really good. Just overall, the whole design language and everything is just vastly improved, like a big airplane. My luck, exactly. Are you done now? You know, I thought with this location I'd be safe, but I guess not. You can see the running lights, very reminiscent of the new Silverado. And if you know Chevrolet, you kind of know that the Tahoe and Suburban are refreshed and redesigned about a year or two after the new redesign of the trucks. And with the new truck coming in 2019 and 2020, here is the new Tahoe. Very nice, functional grille, helps with aerodynamics. Let's walk over to the sticker. 2021 Tahoe 4-wheel drive Premier, black over jet black, 10-speed automatic like in the trucks. Other than that, pretty cool. Premium package on this one. Really cool. HD surround vision, which will go on an enhanced cooling radiator. So the radiator has been beefed up just a little bit. Just really elegant design, very pretty. And now we'll move on to the back seat area. I believe these are movable. Yes, there you go. So you can do that. Tons of room in the third row. Nice panoramic moonroof. All your AC controls. Wall outlet and 2 USB-C outlets. That's pretty cool. You do have nice armrest that comes down. Really nice. This one has the running boards. Got a couple storage compartments here. You can fit stuff there, and there. Like how the Bose speaker design comes all the way down. A lot of your new features are located here. You have your 4-wheel drive control and drive mode. You have your lights, so you can increase and decrease. Trailer braking, your heads-up display. But pretty cool. Put the key there. Whole center stack is very reminiscent of Range Rover, and that is not a bad thing. A nice little cubby hole that goes really, really deep, way in there. Much bigger screen than the previous generation. Nice and responsive. Still features the same infotainment as before. The cameras have been greatly improved. That's pretty cool. You can view where your rear wheels go and where your front wheels go. That's pretty cool. This thing is just absolutely sensational. Virtual rear view mirror, of course, and a good amount of controls up top here. Sun visor that gently turns on the lights with a sliding visor. Removable, nice big center console, glove box. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, go for a drive. This is new for 2021. You have your push button shifting with low mode, where you can do manual shifting. Total price on this one comes to $72,000, 71 and some change, $71,380 to be exact. The sound is phenomenal. I love the quad exhausts. It's just really, really cool. Turn signal sound has been changed a bit. It's much quieter and very luxurious sounding. It's kind of weird to say that. You might not come across on video, but pretty cool. Can't see. You can see the 10-speed shifts great, nice and smooth shifts. It doesn't bang between gears, which I like a lot. Do like the nice wood grain trim in here. It definitely has stepped up the looks department by a ton. It's just the looks now justify the price tag. Not that it didn't beforehand, but it just looks that much better. The steering wheel is pretty unchanged, but everything else is. You do have wireless charging located down here. The mirrors are frankly ginormous, which is great. This thing is a awesome machine. I was a huge fan of the previous generation Tahoe, but this is a whole nother level. This is just unreal. You know, they're really starting to take on the luxury trim. Especially, we got a Yukon in today. I got to take a quick look. I didn't get to drive it because it's a sold unit, but I took a quick look, and for the new generation, they really set the two apart. The Tahoe versus the Yukon. Likewise, the Suburban versus the Yukon XL. The Yukon is miles above this in terms of luxury, and it makes me think that you don't really need an Escalade. You don't. You know, you go to the Yukon, that's about $10,000 more than this, all in. At least the one that we got in is $10,000 more. It's $82,750. But that one's loaded to the gills too, and it's just really, really nice. No complaints at all, and it drives so well. Man, oh man, did they do a fantastic job on this new Tahoe. Once we get a Yukon in, I'm going to go ahead, film the Yukon, and as well compare the two, make a comparison video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.